Once upon a time there lived a miser in a village. His father had been a rich man and he had left a lot of gold for him. The miser wanted keep the gold safe in every way. He had an ever present danger of thieves, so he decided to do something to be safe for them. Thinking with a cold mind, the miser hit upon a plan. He melted the entire gold into a big lump and decided to bury it at a safe place. One night, the miser took his lump of gold to a lonely place. He dug a pit there and buried the lamp in it. Covering the pit with earth, he returned home. The miser was very happy to have hidden his gold. Still, he paid regular visit to spot where he had buried the